Hello viewers, program Northeast Tube welcomes you to watch some happenings revolving around Northeast people in Delhi NCR. Recently, the Manipuri Meitei festival of bonding with sisters Ningol Chakauba, which can be called a Manipuri
This is the most important part of our festival in Manipur, where we rather request our sisters, our aunties to kindly come over to our home and have meal together. Lunch, they call it lunch in the morning. And they bring things like all these locally available fruits, vegetables, all these things. And we also present them our humble presentation in the form of handicrafts, handlooms. All these things are our system going on.
Ningol Chakoba is a festival which is celebrating womanhood and especially celebrating women who are married or unmarried. So Northeast, especially Manipur, has tradition of a mix of a soft and a very strong women power. They are very soft to talk to, very polite, and yet very, very strong physically. And the biggest examples are Kunjrani ji and women like Mary Kom, all come from Manipur.
The occasion was made memorable with singing by renowned folk singer of Manipur, Bedabati Lorembam. A group dance by choreographer W. Kamaljit and his team, which showcased traditional Lai Harauba, Sankirtana, Thangta, and Dhol Cholom, too left an indelible mark. Other attractions included yoga fusion performance to the tune of iconic Vande Mataram song by two girls, Vandana and Kavita.
Our message to the youths and then the people is that through this kind of a festival, bring your people together. Through this we can promote peace.
This event is the biggest event in Manipur, bringing brothers, making our bonds stronger with the families, brothers, sisters, fathers. So it's once in a year event where we all come down to our, the married ladies come to back to their houses, to their father's place and have a meal together. It's a lovely gesture to grow our bond together.
In Manipur, Ningal Chakoba is celebrated on a mammoth scale, with even the titular king of the state, Laishamba Sanajoba, throwing open the palace or Sana Konung doors to welcome, give gifts, and feast the Ningols or sisters of 38 communities, including from both valley and hills.
The Nagas living in Delhi, cutting across tribes, came together to celebrate their 55th Nagas meet. Watch our coverage of this fun-filled event.
The 55th Nagas Meet 2018, organized by the Naga Students Union of Delhi at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium recently, was a gala affair reminiscing the glorious past of the Nagas, celebrating the present with hopes for the future. Nagas cutting across tribes thronged the festival, which aimed at strengthening bonds among Nagas who are now living in Delhi for studies or work. Prayers and singing to the Lord played an important role here. Little wonder it is often said that people who pray together stay together.
Today is the 55th Nagas meet of Nagas in Delhi. This is one of the biggest events in Delhi, and I'm so happy today. More than 2,000 people turn up.
We feel so warmly as we see our own brothers and sisters coming together under one platform. And it is not only an occasion or a function to welcome the freshers, but also it is an event where we promote our own cultures and identity.
The function, which drew in many dignitaries including Nagaland's Minister for Public Works Department, Tongpang Ozukum, laid great importance on welcoming Naga freshers to Delhi. Coming from various Naga tribes, the freshers have varied dreams and aspirations, ranging from ambitions to become a civil servant, doctor, professional singer, et al.
I'm representing an Anal tribe, and my future hope is to become an cabin crew member, and I'm now doing coaching for a cabin crew member.
Realizing that in today's world the youth have to perform well in interviews, the freshers were put through strict drilling via a question and answer round, wherein many proved that they were completely at ease talking on stage.
To be a leader, we need to have the potential of patience, love, kind, and peace. Thank you so much for.
Also in the line of events on the day was a very informative and entertaining traditional attire round, which deserves high praise. With each tribe walking down the stage, one got to see many of their details. With the Angami couple, for instance, the background informed that the tribe lives majorly in Dimapur and Kohima. The Anals were introduced as the oldest indigenous tribe who are settled both in India and Myanmar. When the Ao tribe youngsters walked the stage, one was informed that the Ao was the first Naga tribe which embraced Christianity and got Western education. On the Chakesangs, one was informed that they live in Ukhrul district of Manipur and Phek in Nagaland. About the Zeliangrong, one was told that the tribe includes the Zemi Nagas, Liang Mai and Rongmei people who can be found in Manipur, Assam and Nagaland. The Mao tribe created fire on stage in the traditional way, and so on. However, perhaps agreeing that Nagaland could do with certain improvements, thoughts were also directed at the situation back home, with many seniors hoping for peace, end to extortions and speedy development.
Being in Nagaland, I get an extortion note from a Naga and I get saved by a Naga. You know? So, sometimes it really pains me.
I believe in peace and development. We should try to unite Naga by peacefully with the ambition of development in all angles, so to say, in infrastructure, road and all this.
Among the other many high points of the function were a solo performance by the superbly talented UK-trained Anju Dusuang. Band Red Light Passengers too gave an insight into the superlative talent of Naga youth in music.
I'm so glad and happy to be a part of this program in the 55th Nagas Meet. We're bringing the meeting all the Nagas brothers and sisters together as one family, sharing the same culture, music.
The Bodo celebrated a literary day in Delhi to commemorate the 67th foundation of their Bodo Sahitya Sabha. This too was an enjoyable and colorful event. Watch on.
The celebration of the 67th Foundation Day of Bodo Sahitya Sabha at Rajghat, New Delhi on the 16th of November drew in many prominent writers of the community besides a large number of Bodo people and intellectuals. Organized by the All Bodo Students Union, Delhi Bodo Association and NDFBP, the function witnessed former Union Minister Murli Manohar Joshi as chief guest. The BJP stalwart talked at length about the imperative need to preserve and propagate the Bodo language and said that it was good that the function was held in Delhi.
दिल्ली में इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करके सबको ये भी बताया कि दिल्ली में भी बोडोलैंड के भाई बहन पढ़ते हैं, काम करते हैं, निवास करते हैं। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि जिस दिल्ली के साथ 20-25 साल पहले कोई भाईचारे का संबंध नहीं था, आज वो दिल्ली आपका घर बन गया है और बोडोलैंड आपके असम में आपके लिए एक राजनीतिक इकाई के रूप में विद्यमान है।
Writers like poet U.G. Brahma, also a Rajya Sabha MP, Deepak Kumar Basumatari and Anjali Narzari talked about developments in Bodo literature and their expectations from the government.
আজি আমাৰ বড়ো জাতিটোৰ কাৰণে এটা তাৎপৰ্য তথা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ দিন, কাৰণ আজি এই দিনটোতে 1952 চনত বড়ো সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল আৰু এই প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হোৱাৰ দিনৰে পৰা বড়ো সাহিত্য সভাৰ যি নীতি আৰু আদৰ্শ তথা ইয়াৰ লক্ষ্য আৰু উদ্দেশ্য, এই উদ্দেশ্য লৈ পেলাই বড়ো সাহিত্য সভাৰ জৰিয়তে বড়ো ৰাইজে যিখিনি সংগ্ৰাম কৰিলে তাৰ বিনিময়ত আজি বড়ো ভাষা জীয়াই ৰখাৰ যি পথ, এই পথ প্ৰশস্ত হৈছে।
Noted choreographer Dilip Narzari and his troupe presented many folk dances of the community, including the famous Bagrumba. Also presented was the Shield and Thou dance, locally called Birgosari Mosanai. In the Bodo language, the Shield and Thou, which the dancers are holding, are called Dahal and Tungri, while the word Mosanai stands for dance. Another interesting dance presented on the occasion was the fisher folk dance called Na Gurnai Mosanai, with the cane baskets used for catching and storing fish, which are carried by the dancers in the dance called Jekai and Kobai in the Bodo language.
तो हम लोग इसे कल्चर को बढ़ाना है, बोडो कल्चर आगे बढ़ाना है, दिखाना है सबको। हमारा भाषा है और सिक्के भी है, कल्चर भी है, सब हमारा ड्रेस दखना गामछा आरनाई जोमग्रा सब कुछ है इसको हम दिखाना है
Hey friends, we have many more stories lined up. We have to show you the coverage of the India International Trade Fair, protests by the employees of Border Roads Organization, tea tribes and so on. We'll do so in the subsequent episodes. Do subscribe to our channel for detailed coverage about happenings in Delhi. Click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Also give us a thumbs up if you liked our series. We will also be very grateful for your feedback down below in the comment section. See you all soon. Peace out.